Hello, Africa, and good afternoon from Lagos, Nigeria. We bring to you another Monday kickoff session for the Power Apps Africa Challenge. Before I move on to introduce my co-host today, I would like you to tell us where exactly you're joining from. Not just that. Can you drop something about the Power Apps Africa Challenge? How has it been for you? Tell us about your experience. We'd like to share your story and spotlight your story as well. Don't worry, it's coming. We're moving gradually to the Christmas season, and I might be your Santa Claus for this period. I'm happy, I'm excited, and let me bring on board my co-host today as we take it off from here, sharing with you interesting update, exciting update about the ongoing Powerhouse Africa Challenge. Let's dive in. Okay, so just before I go back, I would like to also thank our partners. While I'm waiting for your comments, for questions, and for introducing yourself as well as what you enjoy. Look at our partners here. We always give a shout out to them because indeed they do so much to support us and to make sure that this is a successful event. Shout out to the Lions Info System, which of course you can see right on the screen now, Reliance Info System, you see Computer Revolution Uganda, you see Deep Bond Consulting, you see First Line, and of course, Computer Revolution Africa Group Technology Redefined. I love always alone right here, so I'm going to be bringing right on board my co-host, which I'm super excited, to introduce again. I have right here with me David of Microsoft. Hello, David.
Hi, Olariwajo Iboke. It's nice to bring me up on stage again. Well done, Africa. Good morning, good afternoon, Africa. We are getting close to December, and it's nice because from the beginning of the year till now, we're trying to see what is the best thing that we can do for Africans. How can we upskill Africans? And it's beautiful to see what we've done so far. So happy. Thank you very much, Ola. Over to you, Ola Riwaju.
Amazing. Thank you, David. And awesome. Good to have you again on this show. And I'm also going to be introducing my other co-host, Ola. Hi, Ola. You muted.
Hi, Ola.
Hi, Ola. Loud and clear. I can hear you loud and clear. But you're muted right now. Okay, so let's quickly move forward. While the network is stabilized, or once we can hear, definitely I will have her, contribute to what we have today and also share some things with us. So quickly, let's move on to what we have for us this week. First, I will start before we round up the entire week 4, kick off week 4. Let us also share briefly what this challenge is all about. You know what it is, but in case someone is watching this and is wondering, I love joining your session every Monday, every Friday, but I can tell you a little bit more about Power Apps Africa Challenge. We have this right here. It is a program for people to build up their skill and compete, globally all across Africa. We have over 31 countries who are in this challenge, as of today. And everyone is learning low-code application development using Power Platform and building solutions that will compete, alongside with others. And we're going to be choosing the top 3 best app maker in Africa. Can I hear someone say? I just want to tell you how excited I am about this. Someone can say it. Woo! I'm excited. So first, Rise Power Platform, as we take you through this, then we go ahead and share the update for the week. In case you're wondering, this is about Power Platform. What exactly is Power Platform? So Power Platform is a suite of applications from Microsoft that allows individual and citizen developers, people who don't write code like you and I, to digitally transform business. And that is the key selling value here. You can transform business digitally without writing codes. Yes, it is. Okay, and once you have that platform, you see right here, you'll be able to provide timely solutions to problems. It could be your career plan B. Everybody wants to have a plan B now in this age, and it could be that your alternative route to becoming a tech bro or C's. Of course, man, I've tried, software development part. is not my choice, but I found this really comfortable for me to still achieve my dream of becoming a developer. Yes, you are one if you are on this path with us. Also, the digital job growth is really seeing a lot, and we see the value of low-code application developers who are filling the gap, helping organizations to catch up and accelerate their digitization needs. Of course, there's increasing job demand, and I'm sure you're going to land a gig soon as a continue to commit yourself to this challenge and grow your skill in Power Platform. And lastly, of course, salary. You want to know how competitive the salary is? I'm going to talk to you about that later. Let's move on now and then bring you on David. Stay informed. Hi, David. For this week, a lot of things are happening right now, and I'm going to be, speaking to you, and you can share briefly with us what is happening, what are the activities. We see 21 missions. Can you talk through them? We can see them right on the screen and share your view around them. David.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope you can hear me. Ola, you ready? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, David.
Okay, great. So I want you to maybe check your audio. It's kind of a little bit loud, and it's not clear. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at 21 mission has already been released, and so far we already have over 32 African countries who is taking part at this year African Power Apps Challenge. And it's so beautiful because so many amazing work have gone into this to make this work. And so having 32 African countries out of 54 is a very, very, very big plus. That is like 2/3 of the African countries, kind of close to 2/3 of the African countries. And also is that the community challenge is also here, where you can also just jumpstart and learn, prepare for your PL 100. And also remember, like we said last week, that every of your mission end December 2nd, early morning December 2nd, and also that everything is going to be calculated to get the top score. So I have very, very with getting that. So make sure that you finish everything that you need to get through in the final stage where you're going to build. And you also remember the stage to app 5. What do you think are the game highlights for this week?
All right, David. Thank you so much. Can you hear me clearly, David?
Loud and clear.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so the game highlights for this week. So we want you to catch up on your missions now and don't fall behind. We are in the home stretch. Basically, it means that we are in the last days. And these last days, we have new missions. We have 4 days of new missions. We have 4 days of new missions this week. So for this week, we want you to expect new missions. Also, coaches are working hard to evaluate your missions. Please be patient with them. We have so many awesome responses to get through. So if you're expecting your coaches to reply you, please just be patient with us. Another thing that I want to mention, I want to say shout out to all the countries because I can see an additional country. Can you see that, David and Ola? Before it was
Yeah,
31,
yeah.
and
We
now
now
we
have
have 32
32
countries.
countries.
So that's
Yeah.
cute.
All right. Thank
Over
you
to you,
very much,
Ola.
Omolola. Can you confirm you can hear me loud and clear now? Apologies, there were some issues with the sound, but
Yes,
how about now? Awesome.
yes, yes, I
So
can hear
most
you
of these
loud and clear.
updates are right here with us. And again, today we're going to talk about certification focus. So, did you see your special Saturday mission in Centrica? We actually distributed a Measure Up practice test vouchers to dedicated players. So, in case you are dedicated players, you're then going to see Measure Up. What is Measure Up? We are learning towards a certification path that is clear now. The Power Apps Maker, Microsoft Power Apps Maker certification is an associate level exam. The Measure Hub is a practice test, environment that allows you to, practice and prepare for this exam. While you are taking the learning part, yes, the Measure Hub will help you, put you in that exam mode. Some the questions similar to what the way you'll be tested when you are writing that certification exam. And I tell you, that is the best way to prepare. As you are learning, you are building skill, you need to be familiar with how these questions are being asked. And again, we send that resource to everyone that are active. And in case you think this is error, don't worry, just reach out in the Power Apps Africa user group. Go out there and look for PAC organizer and engage them. They will definitely attend to you. So your mission explains this week. We explain how you will be able to redeem your voucher, because you will be getting PL 100 exam voucher. Yes, we told you that vouchers for you guys to also write this certification exam, not just to write, but also resources to help you prepare for that same exam. Okay, so just keep in touch, keep completing your missions, because it increases your chances of getting that voucher. Also, registration is still open, and you're wondering where do I get to register. In case you're just watching this, if you want to participate in this, yes, you have 4 days to catch up with all missions, but you can still register right there, aka.ms/PAAC, and you get into the game with us. So just before I call on Omolola, after, I just want to talk through troubleshooting. In case you're having challenges or issues, I want you to be rest assured that you can go right there, aka.ms/Power That is the way, that is the link to our user group. Right there, you can raise every issues and concern that you have, and it's going to be addressed. Just be assured that we are working hard, making sure we resolve all these issues. Let's talk about live event, Omalola. There is a live event coming up. What do you have to say to this?
Yes, so in the Power of Africa Challenge, our live events are always awesome. And the one we have for this week is still the same. It's absolutely awesome. So for this week, we have a career story with Elvis Makuti. And it will be basically Elvis Makuti is a service reliability engineer, and he will be talking to us. So you can actually check. So we have a link that you can use to
Yes,
check Elvis
they will
Makuti
get that
story.
in the user
And
group.
exactly. So please go to the user group to check Elvis Makuti's story. And we don't want you to miss this awesome live event. Also, all the missed live events are actually recorded. So you want to go and check all the awesome live events. Another thing about live events, the last week live event was so expository. Even as a Power Platform developer, all the things that was dished out by all the people that spoke, the 3 people that spoke last week, was very expository and it was helpful. So you want to go back and check all of the live events that you have missed. So Ola, over to you.
Thank you. I don't want to miss this session, because this is how you get to see. This is how you get to see, are there people actually working here? What does it takes to work in this, as a Power Platform developer or in any capacity around Power Platform technology? Not just Elvis Makuti, we also have the story of Stella Nyaga, from Microsoft, who should be also showcasing this week as well. So feel free to check the user group, where you will see the link to actually watch this. The game highlight has been shared with us, so we're quickly just going to move to community challenges, which again, that of this week has been dropped. Don't worry, go ahead and complete them. It is a cloud skill challenge to prepare you for your certification exam. How do you want to prove ready if you are not taking the resources that will help you to write your certification exam? All right, looking ahead, David Abu, what should we look forward to, going into this week?
Okay, so you have until the 1st of December to complete all missions, so which means
For this,
4 more days to complete. So you have to complete those missions. Can you hear me, Ola?
loud and clear.
Good. So now you have 4 more days to complete those missions. And after that, we're going to count all the O points, and the top scorers will be invited for the app builder finals. So it's so important that you're able to get to the finals, because one thing is this: no matter how you learn and you don't put it into practice, then it is bad. So you doing an hackathon attached to the competition itself is a very big plus to you. And if you can get to the top 100, then that is a very, very good big point. And also the final starts 2nd of December and lasts for 6 days. And that is where you're going to be seeing different type of hackathon running. And you want to compete in the finals, then complete your missions, earn more points as you can. This is how we choose who moves on. And you can still buy tickets to win the prizes in the store after the mission closes. So whenever you get all your points, you can use that to buy anything of your choice in the market store. So we can't wait to see the top 100 people after December 1. I hope to see you there. I hope to see different countries there, and I hope to see the 31 country being represented in the
32,
final.
David, 32.
32
We are growing. We have 32
32.
countries all across Africa now.
Yes. So now 32 countries being represented in the final 100. I wish you guys well. Over to you,
Thank you
Olayiwa.
very much, David. I mean, I look forward to the week, looking at all the activities lined up. Not just that you are completing your mission this week, there is also admission into the next phase of the challenge. So I'm looking forward to the top 100 people who will make it to this face of the challenge. Right. I just want us to give some shout out to those individuals that are doing quite well on the leaderboard, as well as those countries, where and teams represented. I know my dear country is there. I'm reporting from Lagos, Nigeria, but I love my brothers and sisters from Ghana. So David, for Omola, tell us about the team's performance. Why David share some update with us around the individual performance. Hi, Omola.
Hey, all right. So the individual and the teams that are leading the Pops Africa Challenge for. Hi, can you hear
Yeah, I
me?
can hear you now, Omolola. The team performance.
Hi,
Oops,
David. Can you hear me, Corey?
I can hear
Yes,
you.
I
All
can
right.
hear you.
Yes.
I
So
can
the
hear
team
you.
that performing well in the so top top of the list we have Jakarija. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the
That
name
is
well.
individual.
His team
The
in the
team is
Western
is
Africa region is level.
sorry, Omolola. The team is down. I mean, we have Team Nigeria 5 currently leading. Okay, so while we allow Omolola to, I think there is also some technical glitch as well. The team performing, we have surprisingly Team Nigeria topping the list. Team Nigeria is number one on this table. Nigeria 5, by the way, not just Nigeria, we have many teams from Nigeria. Team Nigeria 5, woo, congratulations, you guys, but you're not yet the winner until you hold that position to the end of the game. And we have Team Kenya. I know Kenya 3, my brothers from Kenya, yeah. I know they're going to, no, they never give up on this. Right, we have Team Kenya 3. Numbers 2, they are the second on this table, followed by Team Kenya 2. Wow. Team Kenya 3, number number 2 position. Team Kenya 2, number 3 position. I'm missing 3 with 2, but this is really interesting that Kenya teams are actually doing so well to catch up on this table. And I have Nigeria 6 being number 4 on this table, while Reliance Info System number 1 being in Reliance Info System Team 1 being number 5th on the table. We have list of other countries like I'm just going to make mention. South Africa is 9 on this table. And we also have, oh my God, Norway. My Ghana, you are not here again. I need you back on this table. I need Team Ghana on this table. I need, Cameroon team. I need you guys on this table. I need Team, how many other teams? All these countries that are represented. I need you back on this table. So get your friends, get everyone to complete their missions. The more missions, the more points. And the more your point, the more you rank on the table. David, I will tell us about the individuals who are doing amazingly well right on this table as well.
Yeah. So we'll notice that the table changed a little bit. We have the Jakarija. I can't get the name well. So, but permit me. Is in West African region group, and level Dr. Dataverse to you, and on the score of 12,109. And also again, I think is, I don't know, maybe it's repeated, but maybe it's another person, but I think it's different levels right now on the
Yeah, yeah, different
11,000
groups.
group. Yeah, so then we have Grace. Grace is still on the top. So far, I have noticed Grace is still on the top for the past some weeks now. The Nigerian 7 group, and that is the app African contender. So definitely the first two, I'm not sure that person is a Nigerian. So any country that that person is, keep up the good work, bringing all other people for you guys to make it to the top three. We also have the fourth position, Abdul Salam Gaba. Also, yeah, I can remember him. Is also 11,124. We have Chinaiza, Reliance Info System 3, 11,029. And Esther, yeah, I remember Esther, Reliance Info System 1 on 10,992. Then we have Abiodun, Reliance Info System, the app African contender level on 10,904. And we
So,
have,
David, sorry, I
yeah,
want you to stop there. I heard the way you're calling. I'm looking forward to the next person. But how about having them to log in and check the leaderboard? That would be exciting. I know you want to see the list and you want to see where you are. Go on, register at paac.aka.ms/PAAC and get enrolled and onboarded on the Centrica platform. Go ahead and log in with your login details. Is already your email. Go to your email, look for Centrica email from Centrica. You're going to see your login email and password, and log into the platform. You will see the leaderboard and see where you are. In case you are still on point zero, it is time for you to actually skill up and learn and complete your missions so that you can also find yourself right on this table. Thank you, David. So, this is the end of today's session on the Power Apps Africa Challenge. Apologies for the technical glitch you had initially when we started this. We had some issue with the sound. I hope the transcription is good enough to tell exactly what I'm saying. Otherwise, I might have, my I guess you have to forgive me. And we're going to say bye bye for now, but it is not bye bye because we want to see you in the game. We want to see you learning, skilling up, participating in the Class Key Challenge, as well as being active in the community user group. So, hello, can you hear me? Can I confirm you can see me, David?
yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, any final word as we call it a day? Omalola, are you there? I think you're back now.
Yes, I am.
Okay,
Can you hear me clearly?
yes. I can
All
hear
right,
you
I'll
clearly.
just
Any
say
final
continue
word?
to take advantage, Africa, and we'll see you on Friday.
Awesome. So continue to take advantage, Africa. I love that word. And we will see you on Friday. Omolola.